ang ba men ka arpoi terik ubna Januari usnam arajar arpoi ki Archeologist ki badai napok kari ijip bat kumjur na kalang saudon cakap perthai hadin cakap jing lai wat jengki nakateka Saqqara Necropolis bani wat yaka synduk metiap jengki berubah mendai-hendai cakari ijip mentak lalap yang sakumbasan pusau teli.
The most important thing that we found a temple near a pyramid of a queen. Inside the temple, a new name of a queen. Her name was Nearit. She was the wife of the king Tety. And this will add a small part about the history of the old kingdom.
Tela ang bau tau king Tety la neu tau Syiem Tety udeus Syiem uban nyngkong la neu Pharo ban nyngkong hapo kari ijip hakata ka Henreu dynasty. Pala ang rubah kata ka puar ka tengah jung uga dai kan ka queen Nearit hakabakine ki Archeologist kilalap. Pala ang makasnam jangkine kala dai kumbasau hajar arspa snam mensua. Pal menta kini ki Archeologist kilalap yaki ki synduk metiap jangki nakate ka Saqqara Necropolis ka badai ka jakatep yaki Syiem menhendai.
We extract the coffins, and the most important thing in extracting coffins is to study them in order to add a new piece of information to Egypt's ancient history. We add linguistic information or something about how the coffins were made. Even restoration adds information, how the colors are made and whatnot.
Pala ang rulalap ringkat ikini ki jingsna ba koridor ki kiu ki kra ki balasna ki beru menhendai haka jakatep jongka ka Syiem Nearit lan kata ka queen Nearit hadin makilalap ïaka.
We found major statues. We found games that the Egyptian played. We found also many unique artifacts such as an axe belonged to a soldier. All this discovery will rewrite the history of Saqqara in the New Kingdom.
Disusul la ang bagi ki Archeologist menta harangkat ki nong trai ki dang ti lan ki dang wat ba ki ki jing thau ba koridor ki breu ki Egypt menhendai. Pala ang baka ka jing le ki ka dai hadin bakari Egypt menta kalasya kata bah kan klam covid ka kandai bakari Egypt menta ka plan ban ti lan ban wat lot yakini ki jing thau ba koridor jangki breu menhendai khnang ban mi abu ka museum hapo ka Egypt na banta ban bus ka tourism bar kunjuban kiu kari Egypt. Tety tak ne khubom tak janmit sai Syiem yang pat ya phibaro hakawai ka video ka ban sawan.